Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. This is just a quick video. It's actually bedtime, or it should be bedtime, and I'm just now doing this. But I figured I'd do a video of something that I got earlier today before I actually technically unbox it and wear it tomorrow, which I plan on doing. So here we go, let's jump in. So you see this bag? It's from Journeys. Don't really buy a lot of things from out of there because they're a little expensive, but you can find things from there on sale at times, which can be really good, and that was the case with these. So let's get them out of here. So there's some Vans, quite obviously. Get up on. And they are a iridescent check in a size 10. This is actually the last pair of these that they had. They were on sale. The tax, I got them for 40 something. So here they are. Kind of cool. It's a classic with a nice iridescent pattern, which I really like iridescent stuff. So right up my alley for sure. I just noticed this one's not laced, so I'll probably need to go ahead and lace it. I think this is the one that was on the display, and this is the match. But aren't these pretty cool? I think they're freaking awesome, honestly. I have a lot of stuff that has this kind of iridescent pattern. I call it rainbow chrome, but they're pretty sweet. I've actually never even seen any like this, so that's pretty awesome. And for a great price. I don't know how much they were originally. They were probably, in Journeys, these things are probably like 80 bucks or something stupid. And they probably just had them for a while, so they marked them down. But anyway, that's all I got. As usual, thanks for tuning in, and do not forget to subscribe. We're trying to hit 300 followers. We're almost there. Probably got about maybe 32 more people, but the goal is 1,000. As always, I appreciate you guys. Later.